Hi guys, so in this next video I'm going to show you how to make a chicken and ginger soup. So this is something I make at home when I'm feeling a bit run down, I need some perking up. It's a really good recipe. The next day I'm feeling so much better. So we've literally got chicken thighs with bones in, very important. You need the bones in there because that's where all the goodness comes from. So don't forget to keep the bones in. So we have that, any vegetables that you want. I've used onions, carrots and potatoes, just peeled them and roughly chopped them. You can add swede or any other root vegetables, or even sweet potato is really good, but that cooks quicker than potatoes, so add that a little bit later on than you would do when you're adding potatoes in. And then you can also have kale or any kind of spring greens, which you could add like right towards the end of cooking. So it's a real kind of healthy boost of a soup. So we've got some thyme leaves going in there. It's really fragrant and light flavour. I love adding thyme in there, but you can add whatever you want. We've got some just basic chicken stock. I've just mixed up with some warm water in there just to kind of get it going. All vegetable stock's fine. So you want to just kind of top up the water so it's level, just level with all the ingredients. So when it cooks on the hob, everything gets nice and cooked on top, so it's just everything's covered. The water, by the way, that I'm using is cold water because we want to bring it up to the boil, and we don't want to add everything straight into boiling hot water. So I've added that in. My little extra tip, if you may, is turmeric is a godsend. Really good health benefits. It's a great boost. So if you just add a touch of it, that's fine. Don't add too much because it's quite strong and pungent, and you don't want it to be overly bitter in the soup. Next ingredient is the ginger, which of course we can't do without because ginger helps with everything. Colds, if you're feeling a little bit bunged up, really good for you, just helps you feel a bit more revived. So what I do is I just take quite a big piece of ginger, peel it, and then grate it in to the soup. So you want to kind of finely grate it in. So just kind of mix that all in. Ginger, you can add, I don't really add garlic to the soup that much, but you can if you want to. When I am actually eating the soup at the end, sometimes I put a few chili flakes in just to give it like a little kick. I don't normally add in any at the moment because if I'm cooking for my daughter, she'll probably scream at me if she finds it too spicy. So just add that, lots of ginger in there, and it's a great way. I think soups are a great way of getting kids to eat vegetables and stuff, so you can just pack it through so many things. And I make this like at least once every week, every other week at home, because yeah, it just really helps. So you just want to put it on a hob and get a lid on as well, so we kind of cook everything nicely in there for about 45 minutes to an hour, but you can check on it every now and then. And voila, so kind of just dish it up into bowls for dinner. You can have loads of potatoes, carrots, and just top it up with soup. It's so good. So if you like this video, please like and subscribe. Thank you for watching.